Today, from Great Taste of Las Vegas, we are doing a special healthy dessert, Oriental style. In Vietnam, I love to eat this type of dessert. The ingredient we have today is water chestnut, coconut cream, Thai banana, glutinous rice flour, and potato starch. And we'll make it for the whole family and then for any party you want to, right? Okay, first we're going to open the can of water chestnut. Throw the water out, rinse it, and then chop it a little. You can have any shape you want, small or large. We're going to put some potato starch onto this water chestnut and using a little bit of beet powder to give it color. Add more potato starch to make it coating it. About a half cup or cup just to cover this to make a coating for this. Add some water if you think it's too dry. This is going to give like a coating to this water chestnut and the beet give it color, okay? If you think you put too much water, just add more flour. A consistency like it will hold on to the pieces, okay? Okay, after that, drop these into boiled water. I put a little bit back into here so we can use that because we need that water. Add half cup of this in and half cup of glutinous dry and potato starch. Half cup of glutinous dry in here. Stir that to make it into a ball and drop it into the hot water. So this is the ball that we're going to eat. We just boil it, make that into like a consistency, half cup, and add water until it is like that. And then we pour some of the flour onto the floor here to the table so we can roll the rice into a shape. We just put the substance so we can roll them into a little ball, okay? Okay, use your hand to shape these. Shape into ball like that and then drop in the boiling water over there that you have a pot of boiling water. We're going to drop these a ball in, shape them nicely, just squeeze them like that. You can control the size of the ball. One big ball. Why not? You cook that for about 10 minutes so the ball flour to cook. And then you peel your banana. Using any banana is okay if you don't have Thai banana, but it tastes better with Thai banana, okay? If you see any plums, cut it out, otherwise you cut them like that. For this, you put a little bit of salt in here. Just sprinkle a little, rub it. And after 10 to 12 minutes, all of the balls are cooked already, so just drop these in. Let it cook for 3 minutes. And if you need more water, you can put it in right now to make sure they don't stick, yeah. So now we're gonna add coconut milk into this after 2-3 minutes. Shake this. So we put a whole container of 33.8 fluid out in here. Stir a little to blend in the coconut with the banana and all of our glutinous rice ball. And our water chestnut, because too much bananas in it, you don't see a water chestnut, but there is your water chestnut. Everything cooked, so just heat up banana and coconut milk. After that, you can use palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, use brown sugar, same thing. 3 ladles of brown sugar and stir it in until the sugar blend in there. Cook until it boils to melt the sugar. And then your chair is done. So everything you can see it boiling now. We're gonna let it run for a minute, then we'll turn it off. Chestnut. Rice ball and water chestnut. I also have some roasted sesame seed. Beat a little bit. And then when you serve, you can put the roasted sesame seed. You don't have to beat, just roast some sesame seed on it, okay? We put a little bit of roasted sesame seed on it, okay, with salt. And here's your dessert, healthy dessert. We had banana, then we have rice ball, and we have water chestnut. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, hope you happy and healthy and cook great dessert like that for the whole family and for your party.